In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an autoplay presentation in Canva so you can have your slides automatically transition as you present. This feature can be incredibly useful for a variety of situations, such as trade shows, automated kiosks, or even in an online course setting, where you want your slides to advance without manual intervention. All right, let's dive right in. First things first, you need to log into your Canva account. Simply head over to canva.com and enter your login details. If you're not already a user, you can easily sign up using your email, Google account, or Facebook account. Once you're in, you'll see your Canva homepage displaying all your previous projects and those shared with you. Now, find the presentation project you want to work on. It should be visible under your projects or perhaps in a specific folder if you've organized your projects that way. Click on it to open your presentation in the Canva editor. With your project open, take a moment to quickly review your slides. Make sure everything is just the way you want it, with any last-minute tweaks or copy edits completed. Once you're satisfied, it's time to set your presentation into motion. Direct your attention to the upper right-hand corner of the screen. You'll see a Present button, and next to it, a drop-down arrow. Click on this to open the presentation options. In the drop-down menu, one of the options you'll see is Autoplay. Selecting this choice will enable your slides to transition automatically, without the need to manually click through them. But before we set it off, let's take a second to decide how long each slide should be visible. You'll see an option to set the time delay between slides. If you have a lot of information on each slide, you might want to give your audience a bit more time. Maybe 5 seconds per slide works for you, but feel free to adjust this timing according to your specific content and pacing preferences. The time delay you choose will be consistent for all your slides across the entire presentation. Once you've configured your time delay, you're ready to kick off your presentation. Just click the Start Presentation button. Now sit back and watch as Canva automatically transitions from one slide to the next according to the time interval you set. It's worth noting that this setup will repeat automatically, looping your presentation, which is perfect for when you want to have your content running continuously in the background. And that's all there is to it. Setting up an autoplay presentation in Canva is a fantastic way to automate your slideshow and keep your focus on engaging with your audience or customers. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you find this feature as helpful as I do. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy presenting!